你好, which means hello, and zai, which means thank you.
仔。朋友们，现在让我给你演示一款改变历史的工具，刚刚发布1天，它叫 CallAnnie， 超强大。它是一款手机 app， 你可以跟它聊天，可以让它扮演角色，可以让它上网查资料，可以做情感咨询，做英语陪练，样样精通。废话不多说，看我的演示。我们点中间的 CallAnnie。 I'm 5 years old from China.
Hello there, little one. It's so nice to meet you.
I love my mom and dad.
That's so sweet to hear. Your parents are very lucky to have such a loving child like you. What do you like to do with your mom and dad? Do you have any favorite activities that you like to do together?
I like playing football with my parents.
That sounds like a lot of fun.
Can you help me practice my English?
Of course. I'd be happy to help you practice your English. What would you like to practice? Do you want to work on your vocabulary, grammar, or pronunciation?
Pronunciation.
Sure thing. Pronunciation can be tricky, but with practice you'll get better in no time. Let's start with some simple words. Repeat after me. Cat, dog, hat, sun.
Cat, dog, cat, sun.
Good job. Let's try a few more words. Book, cook, look, took. Repeat after me. Book, cook, look, took.
Book, cook, look, took. Can you speak slowly?
Of course. I apologize for speaking too quickly earlier. Let's try again. Repeat after me. Book, cook, look, took.
Book, cook, look, took.
Great job. You're getting the hang of it. Just remember to pronounce the U sound like in the word book. Let's try one more set of words. Pen, ten, men, when. Repeat after me. Pen, ten, men, when.
Pen, 10, men, when.
Excellent job. You're doing great. Keep practicing and you'll be speaking English fluently in no time.
Do you speak Chinese?
I'm sorry, but I don't speak Chinese. However, I'd be happy to learn some Chinese phrases from you if you'd like to teach me.
Okay. 你好.
Ni hao. That means hello in Chinese, right? That's a great phrase to know.
Can you speak Chinese?
I'm sorry, but I don't speak Chinese fluently. However, I can understand and speak a few basic Chinese phrases. Would you like me to try speaking some Chinese with you?
Yes.
Great. How about we practice some basic Chinese greetings? Repeat after me. Ni hao, which means hello, and zai, which means thank you.
我听不懂你说什么。
I apologize for that. Let me try again. Repeat after me. Ni hao, which means hello, and zai, which means thank you.
仔。好吧，我们就玩到这儿。他不会说中文，但是我们可以用中文对话，让他回复英文。我们也可以用英文问他问题，让他回复英文，这样可以很好的练习我们的英语口语。如果出门的话，出门旅游也可以让他来帮我们做翻译。我们点这个右上角，它可以有不同的角色。第一个是生活方面，第二个是让他去搜索网络，可以问他任何的事情。第三个是我们可以自己去设定一些指令，还有一些好玩的事情，让他说一些笑话，玩一些游戏。看这边有学习语言的，可以是学习一些科学方面的。下面有关于旅游的，它可以去给我们做导游。这边还有关于工作的，可以跟我们去做面试，讨论一些企业方面的一些职业规划上面的问题，很强大。好吧，今天就玩到这里。想要了解最前端的 AI 工具和技术，还有怎么写指令，怎么发出指令，关注我，我们下个视频再见。